Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something super important: how to ditch single-use products and create your very own DIY zero-waste kit. Whether you're a seasoned eco-warrior or just starting your sustainability journey, this video is for you. Let's get started. 1. Why zero waste? Did you know that over 300 million tons of plastic are produced every year, and half of it is designed to be used just once? Single-use products are not only clogging our landfills, but also harming our oceans and wildlife. The good news? We can all make a difference by switching to reusable alternatives. And that's where the DIY Zero Waste Kit comes in. 2. What's in a zero waste kit? So what exactly is a zero waste kit? It's a collection of reusable items that you can carry with you to avoid single-use products in your daily life. Here's what you'll need to make your own. 1. Reusable shopping bag. This is a must-have for grocery shopping or spontaneous purchases. Keep one in your car, purse, or backpack. 2. Reusable water bottle. Ditch plastic bottles and stay hydrated with a reusable one. It's better for the planet and your wallet. 3. Stainless steel or bamboo straw. Say no to plastic straws. These are easy to carry and clean. 4. Reusable coffee cup. If you're a coffee lover, bring your own cup to cafes. Many places even offer discounts for it. 5. Cloth napkin or handkerchief. Perfect for wiping hands or cleaning up spills without using paper towels. 6. Beeswax wraps or silicone food covers. Show beeswax wraps in action. These are great for wrapping sandwiches or covering leftovers instead of using plastic wrap. 7. Utensil kit. Keep a set of reusable utensils in your bag for eating on the go. 8. Glass or metal containers. Ideal for packing snacks or storing takeout without using disposable containers. 3. How to assemble your kit. Now that you've got all your items, it's time to assemble your kit. Choose a small bag or pouch that's easy to carry. I like to keep mine in my car or backpack, so it's always ready when I need it. The key is to make it convenient, so you'll actually use it. 4. Tips for success. Here are a few tips to make your zero-waste journey easier. Start small. You don't need to buy everything at once. Make it a habit to grab your kit before heading out. Don't stress about being perfect. Every small change makes a big impact over time. And that's it. Your DIY zero-waste kit is ready to go. By using these simple swaps, you'll be reducing your waste and helping the planet one step at a time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more eco-friendly tips. Let me know in the comments, what's in your zero waste kit? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This script is concise, visually engaging, and packed with actionable advice. You can customize it further to match your personality and style. Let me know if you'd like help with anything else.